They have tried everything, long balls, short balls. Gurtej Veer refuses to be beaten on this occasion. A chance to make it four, huge save from the goalkeeper. Gurtej Veer making his biggest contribution of the evening. The goalkeeper Gurtej with a good save.
It was, I think he may not remember also, he was very small. Whenever we used to go to malls or market, he used to always say ak ak. So then we came to know that ball को ak बोलता है. So we thought maybe he will become cricketer because वो पहले आता है mind में. But then in babysitting he started playing with his friends, and then it was football, and आते आते when he came to first standard in Shet Karamshi Kanji school, his principal Shabina madam, she is my good friend also. So she said, why don't you put him in football class, because he was active also, very active. He was restless. So she said, why don't you put in football, तो वो थोड़ा energy utilize भी हो जाएगा. And then he was already interested, वो मुझे नहीं पता था. But then when he joined school class, and then वहाँ से club which was connected to school, and thereon his journey started.
When I was at babysitting, so I used to play with my bigger friends. So we used to play football. So they used to always tell me, go play as a goalkeeper. We don't want to play you as a winger or a striker. So I used to get angry on them. But then I used to play as I was a good goalkeeper of that area. So then I decided to play as a goalkeeper for my club also. So that's how my goalkeeping journey started.
Actually, he saw the goalkeeping, the coach Rahul sir, he saw the goalkeeping skills in him. So he said, नहीं, इसके लिए goalkeeping अच्छा है.
Injuries.
Yeah, injuries, but obvious. But I think it was planned by God only. So he has chosen football. And another thing, because many a times it was with stitches also, he used to not miss the matches with tournaments. He was once, I think, for under 7,
Under
he was
10.
under 10
No, 8.
around. So that time he got a day before injured. Like, he got 3 stitches, but still he managed to play. He said, no, I am going to play. You put helmet or anything, or cycling helmet I had put, and then he played the league.
And both the tournaments we won, and I got the best goalkeeper in both of them.
Then later on we had some challenges like traveling कैसे करना, because I am working. So it was कैसे जाएगा and all. So earlier I used to manage anyhow and उसको pick and drop and everything. But later on then I think he was in 2nd standard, we started with Ola Auto. So with that I can track where he was going. But later on when he joined SSC BFC, he had to travel to Bandra. So that was the biggest challenge how. So slowly, gradually he learned going by a train. So that was really his strength he showed towards football. तो कुछ question ही नहीं आता था कि मैं इसको बोलूँ नहीं जा सकते.
You used to travel alone?
Yes, it was hard sometimes. I used to get very late to home, but still I managed.
Very difficult to make a player study, but with I can say God's grace, he has got very good grasping power. So I used to make him sit on weekends with me, या फिर whenever we used to get time. Alternate days football है, तो alternate days I used to take his studies on my own. Never he has gone to tuition, and it is मैं आपसे ही पढ़ूँगा, I'm not going to go to tuitions. And it was wastage of, because alternate day he was in football. So I used to give him some work, afternoon करके रखता था, and then when by evening I used to check, and then कुछ रह गया तो next day when I was at home, he was at home, तो हम लोग manage कर लेते थे.
Lot of development in my strength, in my technical and everything, like how I managed the big post in YPL. So I would first of all like to thank all the coaches and Arpit sir, everyone, physios, coaches, everyone who were there as a part of SCBFC. I'd like to thank all of them.
Actually, when he was very small, he was playing for MDFA, and that time it was कि if their club gets one goal, and then they will be out, and then he had to save anyhow, and the opponents were also like, because everyone wants to win, so they were also कि नहीं ये लेना ही है, and we had hardly some 10 minutes left. So they were playing very hard, and the ball hit his chest very badly, and he fell on the ground. And we felt कि अभी तो injure हुआ है कुछ something big. But the coach said, no ma'am, you don't worry. आगे आएंगे तो उसका strength जाएगा. But I think that his advice I took. I didn't show my face. I was behind. But he on his own got up and he said, "Nee, I will play." And with that pain, he played and he saved that goal also. Next, I think 5 minutes, and then their team also got one goal and they won. So that thing when I saw, तो I said नहीं ये बना ही football के लिए है, because after pain also if he can play.
About goalkeeping, dealing with crosses and especially penalties. So I once saved a penalty like in the 80th minute or something. So it was the best moment also for me. I got the man of the match. I got to learn many things from SSC BFC. And coaches also taught me like Kunal sir, Patrick sir, Prajwal sir and Prasad sir.
Actually, I was not so much aware कि what is I League, what is Sub Junior. Means ठीक है, I was like कि चलो league है ऐसे. Then he had gone for regular training on Thursday. Around 9:30, like I was expecting him to come home. By that time he mostly 9:30 आ जाता है. But 9 o'clock around he called saying कि Mama, I have been selected for Minerva Academy and I have to go to Chandigarh for 10-15 days, some near about a month, and then वहाँ पे and I'll be playing a league. Okay, this thing was in my mind. I said okay. But then Prajwal sir explained me everything ki what is the importance of this, and then I was like wow, what else we want? This is what we actually wanted in our life, and then यही तो हमारा goal है. This is what we wanted, and we have the opportunity has come home. So this is all because of SSC BFC coaches, of course JD sir, because of them, like, and Prajwal sir. So because of them we have come to know about Minerva Academy, and then he got selected.
First of all, I would say Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, because I have met him 3 times or more than 3 times, and I like the way he plays and his goal kicks. I like it. And Iker Casillas. Iker Casillas because his 1v1 techniques are good and he saves like every.
I feel now like what parents they always think ki only studies are more important, but it is not like that. Both things should be balanced. I feel if I would have deprived Gurtej that only you study and don't go, he would have really not reached where he is now. So I want to say all the parents that let your child chase their dreams and don't become barriers, like whatever they want to do, because as it is nowadays children are more advanced, they know what they want to do. So let them follow their dreams and achieve their goals.
Future goals, I would say playing for an ISL club and representing my country. Believe in yourself, believe in your parents, believe in God, believe in your coaches, trust the process and don't give up till the last second.